And in this video we're going to be removing this VW radio and installing a CarPlay radio. I'm going to put this little pry tool underneath here. There is a little gap where you can basically pry out this plastic trim. Try and be a little bit more gentle than I was there. Don't want to break it. There we go. Now the next step is to take out these 4 screws. These are T20 screws. So I've got the T20 bit here. We're going to be replacing the factory radio with this touchscreen aftermarket, Volkswagen aftermarket radio. Once you've got all the screws off, the radio basically just slides out. You just want to pry it out nice and easy. Now we've got the radio off, you've just got this wiring harness there. I think this is for the aerial, maybe, and then this wiring harness. These come off quite easy. Just pull on this clip here, and then that just comes out. Push it in, and then that basically comes out. This same thing, grab it here. Can't do this with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put you, no I can. That basically comes out. The new radio for Volkswagen is basically like for like, but you do need this adapter which it comes with. Grab this adapter, I'm gonna plug it into here. Alright, plonk that plonker in. There we go. So that's plugged in. So this, you no longer need this. I have no idea what this is. I think it's useless. Anyway, but on my car, I've got this. I think this is the aerial basically. So this area goes into that port there. That plugs into there. This obviously then plugs into here. That plugs in like that. There we go, Bob's your uncle. So before I plug it back in, what I like to do personally is I just like to turn things on, just make sure they work. And then once I've checked it, we button it all up. So, see, it's good to turn things on because I just turned the car on, it's not come on. So why is it not come on? Come on now. Okay, so maybe initially, boom, it works. So now it works. Remove the plastic because you don't need that. Bombastic.
On BBC Sales. 10 to 11 with...
Turn that off. Oh, look at that, that looks smart. Button it back up. Is pop the cover back on. And the cover, pop it back on. Do the top first. Push it in on the top. And then the bottom. Make sure it's nice and flush. The main reasons why I wanted this radio was because this radio has got Bluetooth. You can use Bluetooth with it. You can connect an SD card or a USB, which is currently what I'm connected through right now. You've got things like Ringo. I've got Ringo, which is my parking. You got things like WhatsApp. I don't have it yet on the car. I haven't got it installed, but I'm gonna flick this into reverse. How does it know?